What's going on, guys? Back with another unboxing video. Got this package in the mail today from RZFX, Raging Zombie Studios, also known as RZFX Creature Designes. This was a blank that I got from an artist named Matt Mcneil. I think he's been making stuff for years and years, but he's really been getting noticed lately by a lot of people. He's recently done a few sculpts that has really kind of blown people away. One of them being Eddie Quist from the Howling, and that character's been done, but this version of him I've never seen really tackled, and he absolutely nailed it. So I got the blank from Matt Mcneil and had him send it off to Elliot over at RZFX Creature Designes, and he did the finishing work for me. So let's check this out. Box over here. I did see a picture of this, so I do know what it looks like, but be glad to see it in person finally. Wow. God, that's creepy. This sculpt is called Bright Boy. That's what Matt Mcneil calls it, from a line in the movie, you know. Come on, Bright Boy. But yeah, Eddie Quist from the Howling. This is, or also known as Acid Burned Eddie. This is him after he got the acid thrown in his face. Well, he got the acid thrown in his face when he was wolfing out, and then later on he comes back and he's all nasty burn. God, look at that. I'll have to mess with the hair and get it just right, but that is just nasty. Yeah, Elliot just killed it with this. Matt killed this sculpt. He did this sculpt, and then, not soon after he made a few of these, he did an Evil Ed from Fright Night. So I'm really excited. I got one of those blanks also sent off to Elliot, so I'm excited to see what that looks like when that's done. But yeah, again, Bright Boy, aka Acid Burned Eddie. Sculpted by Matt Mcneil. This one in particular right here, haired and finished by Elliot Britz of RZFX. Amazing. Nice thick casting. That's a good thick, good solid slab. Underneath is just latex colored. It's almost like that Monster Maker's latex, it feels like, but I'm not positive about that. But yeah, good thick pull. Look at that nasty. The bone, it's got all that nasty white shit dripping. Yeah, too cool. Again, I'll have to get the hair to lay just the way I want it. Yeah, very cool. Me, I'm a lot of things. Come on, bright boy. Just that's you just don't see this particular version of him very often, if not at all. Again, I can't off top think of anybody else who's done one. I'm sure maybe somebody has at some point, but never guarantee if they have it. Not this good. Yeah, too cool. Again, sculpt by Matt Mcneil. I believe he did some of the puppet work for what is it, Jeff Dunham, the ventriloquist comedian guy. So yeah, real talented guy. His sculpts are just so accurate. The Evil Ed that he did blew up. A lot of people are really hitting him up on that. I know he's got a whole bunch made. He's got a huge waiting list on those. Again, I got a blank already sent off. I'll be having finished up by the same guy, RZFX Creature Designes. But yeah, he killed it. Killed that. He's got his other ear up in there. Face. God, look at the eyes. Perfect. Love the eyes on that. Yeah, very cool piece. Glad to have it. I don't know, I'm not exactly sure how long I waited. Again, I had to get the blank made, cast, and then from there, I paid him. Then he had to send it to Elliot, and then Elliot finished it up and then sent it to me. So it kind of, went place to place. But just a few weeks, maybe 3 weeks total, which isn't bad considering. But yeah, really glad to have it in though. I'll have to get the hair kind of looking just right, but yeah, that's just, oh man. Again, just an amazing sculpt. He nailed it, just dead on. Great finishing work by Elliot. And Matt's really cool. If you hit up Matt Mcneil on Facebook, he will he can make one for you. His finishing work's absolutely great too. Or you can hit him up and he'll send you a blank, or he'll mail a blank off to your preferred artist. I know he's got some stuff going out to Lewis Fry. I think Brandon Scott Murphy might be finishing up one for somebody else, or an Evil Ed maybe. But yeah, Eddie Quist, aka Acid Burned Eddie, sculpt known as Bright Boy, by Matt Mcneil, finished up by RZFX Creature Designes. Super glad, again, this is so cool. It's one of those things you don't see very often, you don't see this character tackled like this, so glad to have it. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. More videos coming soon. Later.